Hey there, today we're diving into the vibrant world of the Nilight RGB LED Rock Lights Kit, an 8-pod underglow system that brings multicolor neon brilliance to your ride with seamless Bluetooth app control. This top-notch kit features high-intensity RGB colors powered by quality LED chips, delivering 10 to 14 watts of dazzling brightness, all housed in a durable, IP68 waterproof aluminum construction for a lifetime of up to 50,000 hours. Define your style with millions of color options, adjustable brightness, and 20 dynamic flashing modes that sync with your music or respond to your voice, all controlled effortlessly through a compact, stable controller compatible with iOS and Android systems. Installation is a breeze with versatile mounting options and a plug-and-play setup, ensuring you can easily enhance your truck, ATV, UTV, SUV, or even your boat with this universal fit lighting solution. Operating on a 9 to 32 VDC voltage, these lights not only add a touch of style but also enhance safety, making them perfect for exterior bed lighting or wheel well illumination. So, whether you're cruising the streets or hitting the trails, the Nilight RGB LED Rock Lights Kit is your ticket to a more colorful and exciting ride.